Hey there guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to add text over a video on Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is how it's going to display after you're done with the video. So if you're new yet to my YouTube channel, like and subscribe. So first off, we'll go ahead to open our Adobe Premiere Pro on our PC. So once it is loaded, what you have to do is to create a new project. So I'm going to name this my project text over video. So I'm going to tap on OK and let's get started. So first thing to do is to locate your file manager and locate the video you want to use. So I'll be dragging this video straight to my Adobe Premiere Pro. So next I'll be dragging it to my timeline, and the next step to do is to locate your text and add the word text to your video. So I'm going to tap on my text, then type here text. So I'm going to highlight this, Ctrl A, go ahead to the size to increase the size, and also change the font to Montserrat bold or black. So you can use Montserrat black. Then I'm going to tap on this. Then next thing to do is to bold it. So next is to align this my text to fill in a particular screen. So make sure you use this particular type of font, Montserrat black. So I'm going to arrange this well till I get what I want. So still like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's learn. So after positioning my text in place, the next thing to do is to go over to my effects panel and try to search for track mate key. So I'll be searching for track mate key. Then after locating my track mate key, I'm just going to drag and drop it right on my video clip. So I'm dropping my trackmate key on video clip, then going ahead to effects and controls. Then I have to locate trackmate key there and change the mate to video 2. So boom, we have our text in front of our video. The next thing to do is to drag that text right to the end of the clip, and we have our video done. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.